Can one maintain their body by doing 100 push-ups a day? I believe that you can. When doing any type of workout, it will be hard to see the results in the beginning. I needed to add something else to my routine. Something simple yet effective. Do you know the great benefits of doing 50 to 100 push-ups a day? It isn't just an upper body maintenance workout. By doing that many push-ups, not only can you start to build muscles, it can also help you lose some weight. Herschel Walker does 500 push-ups a day. It can be very demanding to schedule your bodybuilding maintenance. Here are some body maintenance tips that can help you build up to 100 push-ups a day. Let's say that you're watching your favorite TV show and a commercial comes on. What do? Do you run to the restroom? Or do you go get yourself some snacks? I do all these things as well, but before I do, I would get down to do 25 push-ups. If you were doing 25 push-ups per commercials, you should reach your 100 push-up marker in no time. It can be a bit complicated to accomplish this task if you are at work. Spring into action whenever you see an image of someone fit. Whether it be a magazine or a buff guy on TV. Maybe you're on Facebook strolling and you happen to see your friend headed to the gym. Find a secluded place to get 25 to 30 push-ups in. This is where the stealth mode comes into play. Your coworkers will never understand. They will think that you are wasting your time. Because they are paying beaucoup money to the gym where some of them are not even getting the results that they want. If you let them catch you, you might be met with ridicule or support, who knows. I say find an isolated corner. An office closet would be great as well. Try not to get locked in there. Take it from me, avoid restrooms. It's unsanitary. It's better to be caught than to risk having your hands in urine. The stairwells is also great. Please pack some hand sanitizer when on your mission to reach your goal. 100 push-ups a day is possible to achieve in almost any situation. I would suggest to set an alarm to make sure you don't forget to reach your daily goals. Let's say that you're playing video games. Every time you die, do 25 push-ups. For those who do not have downtime, you can schedule your push-ups throughout the day. An example would be 25 every morning before your morning shower, 25 before lunch, 25 after you clock out of work, and the last 25 before bed or supper. You can even break it down to tens if 25 is too much. Remember, it takes less than 30 seconds to do 10 push-ups, so you can do it very quickly just about anywhere. If it seems impossible to get your push-ups, you can substitute your push-ups for squats instead. The goal is to do something, to get active some way, somehow.